Okay, Chris. Well, this is the boat ramp here in the community where we can launch our boat, fish, hang out here on the big patio. It's pretty quiet, really peaceful out here, and it's only about 15-20 minutes from my house in Riverview, probably about 8 minutes from Lingatrice's house. So it's beautiful. Just imagine getting a nice boat, parking it at the house, coming here, which is only about a 3-minute drive. Ride our four-wheelers over here too. Just gonna walk up. This is the actual boat ramp park area. There's like a huge area to barbecue, have the kids play. It's covered. Horseshoes, and it's really nice, man. I toured the community too, and just all big homes, real big homes. A lot of retirees live here, and probably some middle-aged people too. So I'll email you this video. Bye-bye.